Today, Huatai Group has commenced the loading and shipment of its palm fruit oil production line to Ghana. This significant project marks a further expansion of Huatai Group in the international palm fruit processing equipment market. This shipment includes palm kernel oil extraction equipment, palm kernel shelling equipment, and related accessories of 2,000-ton palm oil storage tank. The equipment will be transported to Ghana in batches, supporting the upgrading and development of the local palm oil industry. As a leading domestic manufacturer of oil processing equipment, Huatai Group has long been committed to the research and production of efficient and environmentally friendly edible oil processing equipment. Its products have been widely used in more than 60 countries and regions worldwide. The palm fruit oil production line equipment developed for the characteristics of local oases in Ghana. It features advanced technology and high production capacity, effectively improving the efficiency and quality of palm oil production. There is a copies of equipment for the palm fruit oil production line, the palm kernel oil press. It utilizes Huatai's self-developed advanced screw pressing technology, offering high oil yield and superior oil quality. The accompanying palm kernel shelling equipment is characterized by high shelling efficiency and low breakage rates, providing high-quality raw materials for subsequent oil extraction processes. Additionally, the construction of the 2,000-ton palm oil storage tank ensures the safety and stability of palm oil during storage and transportation. This oil production line to Ghana is not just a delivery of equipment but also the beginning of in-depth cooperation between the two parties in the palm oil industry. In the future, Huatai Group will continue to leverage its technological advantages to provide higher quality products and services to Ghana. Purchase high-end grain and oil machinery and equipment. Choose Huatai Group for production.